Korean army soup.
It's known as 부대찌개.
Yay! 부대찌개 is almost like a kimchi jjigae, but you put a lot of ingredients in it.
Just like this.
Yeah, so what do you put inside?
We put spam,
Sausage,
minced beef,
macaroni,
baked beans,
ramen noodles,
tofu,
rice cake.
and cheese. Whatever you like.
Wow, it sounds so yummy, right?
Mhm.
And the special thing about 부대찌개 is you boil at the table so you can enjoy very hot soup until you finish it.
Yes. It's very, very flavorful and easy to follow, just like our other recipes.
Yeah. So should we start making?
Yeah, so let's begin.
Let's check the ingredients. 150 gram of ground beef, sausage, baked beans, spam, cheese, and tofu. And 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, garlic, soy sauce, and some kimchi and pepper. Ramen noodle, rice cake, macaroni. And some green onion. First, let's make the sauce. Add chili powder, sugar, minced garlic, some pepper,
I love pepper. More.
and soy sauce. Mix them well and keep it in the fridge for an hour for richer taste. Any sauce is much better if you keep it in the fridge or let it sit for a while. It's so easy to make, huh? I used half of tofu, sliced them. I love tofu. And slice the spam and make sure it's not too thick so it can blend well into the soup. Just like that. Cut some green onions. It's good to use green onions in any Korean soup. It's our herb. I love kielbasa sausage. It's crunchy outside and juicy inside. Slice them too. We're gonna use the whole piece of it. We will boil the macaroni for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to serve. Add the toppings in the pot. Tofu, spam, ground beef, some rice cake, and baked beans. Baked beans are a must. And of course kimchi too, because we are Koreans! And green onions. And the sauce we made. Top the sausage. More, and more. Make sure to choose a good sausage because it's one of the main ingredients. That was so good.
Yeah, that looks so pretty.
And cooked macaroni. Almost done. I'll finish with the singles. Yum! Add water as much as it covers all the ingredients in the pot. Boil for about 10 minutes. Look at that!
Yum!
I wish it's 4D so you can smell this too. It smells so good. I bet everyone will love this recipe. Please try this recipe. It's a must.
잘 먹겠습니다.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
Hey, you were looking at the soju first.
Yeah, honestly, I really wanted that. My mouth is watering.
That looks so good. By the way, the ramen noodle is for later. It's my favorite topping.
I look so excited.
I'm not lying, it was so good.
Actually, it was better than expected.
Stacy, do you remember It Snowed at Faye?
Yeah, so it was a perfect menu.
I love eating hot pot or like any stew in the winter.
And you need to pair with soju.
Look at the
Definitely.
soju bottle.
It was so hot, but it was so good. She knows how to eat.
I know. I'm saying 맛있어 again.
Finally, soju time!
Yay!
Two hands manner. 부대찌개 and soju. Perfect combination.
Like wine and cheese.
Okay. Cheers. We say konbae in Korea. So let's konbae.
건배. Finally, it's my favorite time. 라면 time.
Even when you're so full, you always have a room for ramen.
Of course. Ramen is such a perfect noodle.
Yeah, and please undercook a little bit.
I know, the crunchy texture. So is it a little mukbang time again for you? Thank you for coming back, and we'll see you every Monday and Thursday.
Don't forget to subscribe and like our video. And visit our blog for more details.
So, it was Kim's Cooking! Bye everyone!
Mm.